What's up, KNG Nation? We're about to knock out an epic prank video. So for my girlfriend tonight, I'm going to make chicken quesadillas, but instead of chicken, we're going to put in cat food. Woo! That's going to be nasty. Do you hear this right here? Ooh, that's gonna be nasty. What's going on, guys? And make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the little bell inside so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. I'm gonna be putting up a bunch of pranks and a bunch of challenges. See you guys later. Peace. Enjoy the prank. Alright guys, so my son's gonna be here. He's gonna be sitting over on the couch with us. She's probably gonna cuss. She's probably gonna say a few things, but he knows not to say bad words like that, so don't worry about it. You ready to get him on this prank? Hit him with it. Let's get him. Let's go. Yeah. Alright guys, she's here and we have everything we need. We got our quesadillas. We got some chihuahua cheese and some sharp cheddar. And our main ingredient, we got the cat food. Ooh. Alright guys, here we go. First we need our tortilla shell. Go put some cheese in that bad boy. And now this is where it gets crazy. Ew.
Yeah, this is definitely gonna be good.
Oh, it's dripping down my hand.
Mm.
Ew. You want to smell it? Ooh, let's get all the juice out.
Ugh.
Ew. Oh, I think that might be enough. Dude, are you ready?
Yes. This will just be normal.
Watch out, buddy. Chop it up. Oh yeah. Dude, look at that. If you don't know how quesadillas are, it's gonna cook all nice and right here. Here we go. Throw that top on it.
We'll see how it looks.
Now we just wait for the light.
Fries.
You can smell it. Ooh.
Oh, I feel like I'm
Listen
out.
to it.
You hear that? I can see juice.
Can you?
Yeah.
Oh, it reeks. Oh man.
I think I might
It
mess
smells
up.
up here. Alright guys. There she is. There, bad boys. Let me set this down. Ooh, ooh. Ew. Ew. Oh my gosh. Bro, epic. Give me them threes. Alright guys, now I got it all cut up.
Is this one mine? Yes.
Oh, I need to put me batteries in there anyway.
There's meat in here?
No, it's
I need some milk.
like this.
Why does it look like there's meat in it?
It's shredded chicken cooked up first.
It doesn't
Steal
look
it.
like chicken. Did you do something to my food?
No, babe.
I'm
How do you want it?
What? What's wrong? Hey, what's wrong? Does it taste weird? Does it taste weird? Does it taste like cat food? Does it? Does it taste delicious? Oh.
Yeah.
How's it taste, babe? Is it delicious?
Oh, you're
Is it
bad.
delicious?
We did prank you.
Oh.
You're
That's so gross. Since you couldn't do our other video, how's it taste?
remember payback's the bitch.
Is it? Huh? Does it taste good?
No.
I got the nastiest brand too. You just smell the liquid in it.
Stop.
Does it taste good? Babe, take another bite.
Ooh, this is what I want to
That's
get you back.
You know, we thought that you'd probably get something to put on it. So we put all the stuff that
Yeah, we took all the sauce and all the toppings. So we know you wouldn't dip anything and dim the taste down. What are you doing, babe? Brushing?
My teeth.
Ew, yeah, get that taste out of your mouth. I'm trying to
you're
kiss
gonna
me.
get kissed.
No, you're not trying to kiss me. No.
Food? You gonna bring me with my food?
Yes!
No.
Well, all right, guys, man, we tried, man. She's puking now. That was great, guys. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, drop a like, and hit the little bell for the notifications so you can see every time we upload a new video. Peace.
Went to go get your water. We set up the camera.
Mm-hmm.
Terrible.
You good?
Payback's a bitch, remember that.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I just gotta learn how to work this camera.
Oh, and too bad, because
I'm gonna learn.